Squad up. What's going on, guys? Today we got some people down from Greensboro and we're gonna be hitting up some trails, hitting up some wheelies, and yeah, it should be a good day because Saturday's out for the boys. Wheelies! He's got stunt in the rear and now he's in the front. That's a weird combination. Damn, he's going 43 miles an hour. Yeah, in a wheelie. Third and fourth gear.
That's pretty nice.
Oh, oh, me. Oh, I'm sorry, man. Oh,
what did he do?
I did a stop and it threw me off that. I'm sorry. Oh, man.
What's wrong?
Oh, look what just happened.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. F***ing A, man. I'm sorry.
It's alright, dude.
No.
I'll still send it. Let's do it.
Damn, I'm sorry, man. I don't even know how it happened.
I was like, you're looking at me and you're like, oh god. I was like, oh shit.
No.
At least you didn't mess up the wrap. Or the
But that's worse.
No, man. The wrap took me all day yesterday to do. I can get that welded back up.
F***ing A, man. Damn it.
I can just use the duct tape.
Alright, we'll be right back. Oh man, I feel like crap now. Fudge! So yeah, Kyle took him back to go get replacement pegs. Luckily he had his race pegs from when he took him off the Grom. So man, I'm really sorry for that. I don't even know what happened, but sincerely, I am so sorry for doing that, man. I feel like crap right now. So yeah, we're gonna head out to Mott Lake and show these guys a good time. First time out on Mott Lake. Oh.
So does it work?
Oh yeah.
Okay, cool.
Holy sh**. Oh, this is how you puncture a tire. Whoa, almost fell. Yeah, I almost ate crap. Oh, ooh, he saved it.
He was really upset.
Whew. Yeah, when Kyle called.
What do you say? He's on the way back?
No, he just got to where they're at. He's gonna come this way, the back way. Y'all crazy.
I'm gonna hide right here. They're freaking doing wheelies off that. Yeah, little pop wheelies. Okay, I see everyone but Justin. Here comes some more people.
Hello.
You good? I'm sorry, man.
You're good, dude. You're good.
Okay, you gonna send it?
Hell no.
What?
Woohoo! Hell yeah.
He sprayed Daniel. Oh, dang. Okay then.
Freaking car.
I could do it. I could do it. Did everybody go that way? Oh yeah.
It worked.
Hold on. It was in gear.
Holy crap.
Oh, that guy's tire is so flat.
Yeah.
That's what I need to start doing. I need to air down my tire and then try it. I feel like the Supermoto's about to do a wheelie.
Go.
Yep.
Yeah. Woo! What? That was pretty funny.
Quick short break, Popeyes. We'll be right back. Not as good as everybody else, but I'm trying.
Oh, that was awesome. Ooh, scrapey. Grom. Oh, hey, we're getting kicked out. Yeah. No one really? No one really? Why?
I can't do this out here in the parking lot. I got an operation going on.
Okay. Yep. All right, we'll head out.
No, we're leaving. We're leaving. Yeah.
Oh yeah. Woohoo! Roll and stoppy.
There we go. There we go. Finally.
Yeah, he's a little bit good. Kyle, when are you gonna get that good?
As soon as you get that good.
Boom!
Oh! That was a long one for me. Oh! was the longest one. That had to be at least 17 spaces. That was the longest one right there. Yeah, he's so good.
Foot scrape.
Woo! Didn't pull up enough. Ooh. Oh, 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 oh. Good catch. Woo! That was super scary. We were wondering why we like the conversation so much. Your chick. Daniel just kill switched me as soon as the light turned green.
Kyle. What the fuck? You creeper? You creeper?
She's so mad. She's so mad.
There's why his tire's freaking flat. Holy shit. Damn. Like, literally hop. Keep it down. Hi, horsey! It's Santa! Well, guys, I guess we'll wrap it up here. We got that beautiful sunset in the back. 9 mini bikes. It was a great ride today.
It was awesome. So we appreciate everybody for coming out. Everybody, thank you.
Make sure to like, subscribe.
What do we say now?
Bye.
Peace.
Peace.